Hey guys, okay, we are back with June 11th. This is the June 11th reveal, so let's see what we got here. This is a full-size plate. Yesterday we had a carnival themed plate, and then back on May 29th we had some vacation plates. So I will link those down below if you did not see those because they're super cute. And this one is an animal themed plate. Oh wow, okay. This is Wild Luxury Cold Blooded. So this is all kinds of different amphibians, snakeses kind of stuff. Let me pull off the blue film and I will be right back. Okay, so this is the Wild Luxury Cold Blooded plate. So all of these different snake and amphibian kind of textures in here, and depending on the colors you use, you could make these any kind of texture. You could use them like for just about anything, so play with those colors. And I love that she's given you like the little cute iguanas and the you know, she's got different styles there of all these different iguanas, but like this has a lacy feel, so you could play around with different colors of that. This of course can be any kind of dragony scales sort of things that you want, but some of these look more like mesh to me. I think this could even be tire treads if you did it, depending on your colors. So come on, Morphe. Every time I do an animal plate, my cat wants to come see it. It's so bizarre. It's so weird. Look at how sweet is that. All right, so let's do a couple of samples. Oh, one of the things I want to say is play with colors with this. All right, so I'm going to do a couple of sample looks, and I will try to do some of that color playing around with for you. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so let's take a look at the two looks I did. Here is, I want to do something really fun and like electric. It's like an electric crocodile, so this is this gorgeous lime. It is Girly Bits Jive Talkin', and then I just stamped over it with Kaleidoscope Black there. And then for this one I wanted kind of a dragon look, so I did this deep sort of blue with gold. So this is Zoya's Remy, and I just stamped over that in gold. I used Moira's gold, and I think this is kind of like a dragon look. Not sure how well you can see like the shimmery polish underneath that on camera. And then also this is Moyu London's Ginger Rust, which is a duochrome stamping polish, and I love especially how it goes over darker colors, and so I did that snake skin in the darker colors, and I love how that came out. All right, fun plate, and I will see you at the next one. Bye.